takes it into Dolphin territory. Finally taken down at the 44-yard line.
To 7 here with 7 minutes left in the quarter. Hand off to Cook. Gonna work through another hole. Working behind blockers, and he's got another first down with Spencer Brown leading the way. Bradley Chubb on the tackle, but another 11 big yards as they'll move the stick. Here's the snap, pitch play to the left to Cook. Blockers in front, has a hole, and he's through it. 40, 50, and just tackled from behind by the final defender at the Miami 41-yard line, or he would have been G. Ocean left to right, handoff to Cook, who goes into the end zone almost untouched for a 2-yard touchdown run. The Cook is in the kitchen. And for the 7th straight regular season game, James Cook has the Bills once again have the lead. They're up 21-14. And he just missed breaking up the sideline on a touchdown-saving tackle by Dante Trader, the safety, who came up and got him by his shoe top.
To Cook. Cook at the 5, pinballing his way, trying to get to the goal line, and it's just short.
Dragged 2 defenders with him for a couple of yards. He's down at the 1. Allen under center, motion by Hawes. Cook gonna follow him, and he is into the end zone for a 1-yard touchdown run. The Cook is in the kitchen, and with that rushing touchdown, he becomes the Bills' all-time leader in.
See me up like it's Benny Budgie. See me up like it's Benny Budgie. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Sorry about that.